Take it out to Lano. I want to show you this view from our camera there of some scattered clouds here this evening. These clouds will thicken up through the night as the moisture and humidity rushes back into central Texas, and it's going to make for a much more uncomfortable day, not only tomorrow, but for the next few days. Mid-80s are where we are now in Austin. In fact, a lot of Texas from the mid-70s to the mid-80s. There's only a few spots near 90. We'll be dropping down into the mid-70s tomorrow morning. There could even be a few spots that reach the upper 60s, but not nearly as cool as it was this morning when we had widespread 60s. Then we're up to about 90 here by midday tomorrow, and then high temperatures coming in the middle and upper 90s. I think tomorrow's going to be hotter than today because I expect we'll have more sun tomorrow. Less of the broken or at least scattered cloud cover that we had here today. Then we go into evening tomorrow. We'll be dropping into the 80s and then 70s as we start off your Friday. Temperatures are going to stay hot for the next 4 days. You're actually looking at the hottest 4 days of the next week. 98s or 97s all the way through Sunday, and the humidity that is already in the process of rising up pretty quickly tonight is going to be reaching the very humid category by tomorrow morning, and then bouncing back and forth between humid and very humid through the coming weekend, even into Memorial Day, still pretty humid. Now, there are some weak showers to the south of us right now. None of those coming our way tonight. We do expect those low clouds to thicken up by tomorrow morning, though. So you'll start with some clouds. These clouds lift away by mid to late morning. Then we've got a lot of sunshine for you by midday. Then as we go into the afternoon, we're going to be watching these little chances for some spotty showers and thunderstorms. And then the cooler winds that escape from where the rain cools the air below the storm may help to generate additional showers and storms as those outflow boundaries interact with one another. We still think about 20% of the area is going to get some rain and storms into tomorrow evening. It's something, yes, but not all of us will. In fact, most of us won't. There'll be something to watch later tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. Another complex of thunderstorms trying to drop south from North Texas through the late Thursday night, early Friday morning hours. Some indications are it may clip part of the area. Others suggest it just falls apart before getting here. So it's a possibility, not quite factored into our 20% rain chances. Those are more the afternoon and early evening variety. And then the clouds rush back in for your Friday morning, and then the sun is back for the afternoon. So your forecast tomorrow then, 98, spotty afternoon and evening showers and storms. Just 20% of us lucky enough to get some rain, though, with a high of 98. Those rainfall totals should be less than 1/4 of an inch in most places tomorrow. There's a low severe weather risk, large hail and damaging wind, the primary threat, thinking maybe 1, maybe 2 storms may be on the stronger severe side, but most of them fairly weak. More opportunities for rain beginning Sunday evening and especially into Monday. Memorial Day has our highest rain chances of the week ahead, but there may be more opportunities for rain and storms on Tuesday and on Wednesday and possibly beyond our 7-day. There is a low flash flooding threat already for Sunday night into Monday morning. It's a 1 out of 4. We're thinking 1/4 inch to an inch should be widespread, but 1 to 2 inches in the hill country. And these numbers may very well trend up if what we're seeing in some of our long-term data comes to fruition. You can see those rain chances picking up late Sunday through Monday through Tuesday into Wednesday, with the highest rain chances on Memorial Day and temperatures cooling off a little bit into the 80s Tuesday and Wednesday. By the way, join us on KXAN News at 6 tomorrow for our KXAN First Warning Weather Summer Outlook. We'll be right back.